Good morning, everybody. This is Pawan Kumar Singh. Today in our class, a competition is organized. This is a competition between two teams, boys team and girls team. Let me introduce the team at first. So this is the boys team. In boys team, Mr. Sandeep, Gautam, Krish, Vicky, and Purushottam is present. Now I am going to introduce the girls team. In girls team, Mamta, Santoshi, Priyanshu, Tarannu, Mahi, and Vidya is sitting. Now this is the time to start our competition. Firstly, I would like to say what is the competition. I will call one by one to my students and I will provide a topic and they will speak. After speaking, I will judge them and I will provide them marks out of 10. If they speak good, they can get 8, 9, 10. If they are getting average marks, their marks can be 3, 4, 5. So now we are going to start our competition and firstly I would like to call Taranum to start the competition. Please Taranum come out and clap for Taranum.
First of all,
Taranum, firstly I would like to provide a topic which you can speak. So your topic will be unemployment. You can take your time and you can start your topic.
First of all, good morning to all of you. Myself Tarannum Parveen. Today I am very happy to get a chance to present my view on unemployment. Now I start. There are many problems in our country as like dowry, casteism, pollution, etc. Unemployment is one of them. Unemployment is that condition which is educated person don't get the job according to his capacity. Such kind of people suffer a lot of struggle many years in their life but don't get job. There are many reasons behind unemployment. First, lack of facilities. In our country, there are shortage of factories and industries. Natural resources are also limited. As a result, many people are unemployed. Second, illiteracy. Many people are uneducated. People have no higher education. As a result, they are unemployed. Poverty. India is a poor country. Many people have not enough money to start their business, so they are unemployed. There are many bad effects of unemployment. Due to unemployment, we don't fulfill need of our family. Without job, people don't respect in our society. Without job, people respect in our society. Sometimes some people to commit suicide and sometimes some people become criminals due to unemployment. To decrease the rate of unemployment, we should educate ourselves. Government should start some more plans, Rega, Manrega, etc. Government should also establish some more plans. Minimum 5 to 10 factories in our state. Students should focus on professional courses as like BA, MBA, medical, engineering, etc. on the regular place of courses. This is enough for today. Now I stop myself. Thanks for great attention.
Thank you, Taranum. Taranum spoke nicely. I appreciate her effort. And out of 10, I would like to give her 8 marks. Now, I am going to call the next contestant and next will be Purushottam. Purushottam, please come out. And everybody, clap for Purushottam. Mr. Purushottam, your word is cloth or dress. You can speak about that topic.
First of all, good morning to all of you. My name is Purushottam. Today I am very happy to present to get my view over cloth. So let's start now. The thing which covers our body, that is called cloth. There are 3 types of cloth: formal wear, casual wear, and party wear. First is formal cloth. Are those clothes which we wear in office, colleges, and school. And second is the casual clothes. Are those clothes which we wear in any time, just like shopping, walking, and sleeping. And third is party wear clothes. Are those days which are made for functions and many celebrations. That is called party wear clothes. Now we know some little demerit to cloth. We have waste time and money due to cloth. Finally, it is a time for work. There are 3 things which are necessary for our life. It is roti, kapda, and makan. Without roti, we can live some days. Without makan, we can live many years. Without cloth, but we cannot live a single day. Cloth is the most important part of our life. Now we know the history of the cloth. Firstly, human used the leaf cloth, but it was not durable. Then human used skin cloth, but it was not comfortable. Finally, human grew cotton and made us cotton cloth. Cotton cloth is the first of human civilization. This is enough for today. Now I stop myself. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Pushpam. Pushpam tried well. His fluency was also good. So I would like to give him 7 out of 10. Now this is the time to call our next contestant, and she is Mamta. Mamta, please come out. Mamta, I would like to give you a topic, and topic name is A Night Before Examination.
Respected sir and my dear friends, very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to share about a night before the examination. Exam night is very important for a student. Many students also for that nervousness. The night before the examination, they can be some important question and some objective classes in the day. The night before the examination, the night before examination, they are blank and forget everything. They are study due to state and worry. A student might travel sleeping. You should read important question before going to sleep. More action should be paid to guess questions. Some objective classes should be taken. But we should not do that. A student should take care and their health. The night before examination, eat health and take care of their health. The night before the examination, eat health and balanced meal. The night before exam, that your body and mind can function properly. Exam night is not a normal night. A student should take care of their physical and mental health. The night before exam, they can talk to their parents, teacher and a friend. Now I would like to stop my words. That's all. Thank you to listen to me.
Thank you, Mamta. Some mistake happened. Mamta stopped herself while delivering the topic. So I would like to give 5 marks to appreciate her. Now, this is the time to call some another contestant from boys team, and he is Mr. Krish. Krish, come out. Krish, your topic is sports and game.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Krish Kumar and my topic is games and sports. So let's start now. Games and sports are very important for us. They keep us healthy and fit. They offer us a change for of daily life. It is good for our health. It is useful means of entertainment and physical activity. It reflects our mind. It keeps free from disease. Thus, games and sports are good value in our life and better health. Games and sports are recommended for everyone. There are 2 types of games. First of outdoor games like cricket, football, basketball, etc. And second of indoor games like ludo, chess, carom, etc. And my favorite game is cricket. Cricket playing between 2 teams. Each team has 11 players. Cricket played with bat and ball. There are many types of cricket like one day test, T20, etc. And my favorite player in cricket, MS Dhoni, because he is a mastermind. MS Dhoni once made a stumping 0.08 second, and he created a world record that no one has broken. And in today's digital world, online games like BGMI, PUBG are also popular form of esports. And these games are required quick decision making, strategy thinking, teamwork, eye coordination. So esports tournaments are now attract a million of players and viewers. Thus, these games are enhance our thinking capacity, sharpen mind. So games and sports are good for growth and overall development. So everyone play games. This is all about from my side. That's all. Thank you.
Very good. Chris has done his part wonderfully. So I would like to give 8 marks out of 10. Now, I would like to call a contestant from girls team and she is Mahi. Mahi, please come on. Mahi, your topic is beggar.
First of all, good morning all of you. My name is Mahi. Today I am very happy to set a chance present a view over beggars. Let's go now. I start. One who they beg to beg door is called beggars. Beggars are those people they have no property, no shelter, no any source of income. As a result, they beg door to door. Beggars are mostly found at railway stations, beside the road, in front of temples. Beggars some ask on the name of Khuda or Ishwar. Some beggars ask and dance, some sing and ask. Some beggars are handicapped. They may not have eyes, hand, leg. They are unable to earn money, so they have to beg due to their compulsion. Beggars can be seen that village, town, everywhere. So we can say that beggars are helpless, but it is not the truth. Many beggars begs daily. It is their hobby. This is a kind. Many beggars are lazy. These kinds of beggars are lazy. We can say that beggars are helpless. We can see that many criminal groups they kidnap some children and for begging they make handicapped and they make they handicapped and for begging some children. Beggars are. That's all. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Mahi. It was nice effort by Mahi. So I appreciate Mahi's effort and I would like to give 5 marks out of 10. Now, this is the time to call next contestant and here is Mr. Vicky. Vicky from Boys team, please come out. Mr. Vicky, your topic is Sasaram.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good morning all of you. Myself Vicky Singh and my topic is about Sasaram. So let's start now. We live in India. There are many states in India. Bihar is a big state of India. There are many cities in Bihar. Sasaram is one of them. Our city Sasaram is good and cleanest city, and it is famous city of Rohtas district, and it is also sub district. And many historical places in our city. It is most famous for tomb of Sher story and which is built in middle of water. It was completed on 16 August 1945. It is also tourist place. It is great center of learning. There are many good institutes and colleges. There are many markets and malls in city. Government office here. It is progressing day by day. My city is center of business and it has many job opportunities for people for the production of tomato, onion, paddy and wheat, etc. And my city is my favorite. This is all about from my side. Thank you.
Very good. Vicky has spoke nicely. Marks for Vicky, that should be 5.5 out of 10. Now the next contestant, and she should be Vidya. Vidya, come on. Please clap for Vidya. Vidya, the topic is trees and plants.
Honorable Sir and my all dear friend, good morning to all of you. Myself Vidya. Today I am going to speak about trees and plants. As we know that we live on the earth, there are many natural things are available here, as like trees, forest, river, mountain, etc. One of them tree and plant. There are many trees as like banyan tree, guava tree, mango tree, plums tree, etc. National tree of India is banyan tree. Banyan tree. There are many parts of tree as like a root, stem, branch, etc. Each one has its own use. Plants make their own food by help of sunlight. Their processes, we know that photosynthesis. Many trees has many uses as like we by the help of tree we get fruits and vegetables that give vitamins and nutrients that our body. We get oxygen. We get oxygen and we get also wood from which work as a fuel cooking food mostly in village side. Some tree and plant we medicinal properties as like neem, aloe vera, etc. There are many trees are herbs and medicines present in Hindu religion. We worship some trees as like basil plant, neem tree, banana tree. Tree and plant are the natural beauty of the earth. But nowadays, cutting tree in large amount, that is called deforestation. The reason behind there is tsunami, global warming, natural disaster, many more are coming, which is big loss of human being and other creatures on the earth. We should plant more tree, and because it is clean the air and maintain the balance of earth. Tree and plant and the source of survival on this planet. Thanks for listening to me.
Thank you, Vidya. Vidya showing the hard work. She took more and more time to speak, and she was standing and facing the people. This is very nice for Vidya. So I would like to give 7 marks out of 10 for Vidya. Now this is the time to call the next contestant, and he will be from Goa's team, Mr. Sandeep. This is your turn now. Sandeep, your topic that is my favorite season. Speak about my favorite season.
Basic to all my dear friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Sandeep Matri and topic is my winter season. There are many seasons in our country. I like winter is my favorite season. In winter is night are long and day are short. This season is from November to February. In winter people wear warm clothes. They enjoy sunlight. people sit near fire. We can also enjoy tea and some hot drink. This season is now this season we can also we can many games at night. Cricket, football, cricket. We celebrate many festival in this season and like third Future Republic Day, etc. Every year we welcome New Year in winter season, but winter has come some problem in this season. Many people die due to cold for create many people for us, but this is the part of any season. I like many seasons. I like say that winter is my good season, and I like it very much. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep. It was a smart speech and short speech. So, Sandeep's marks, that should be 6 out of 10. Now, I would like to call Miss Santoshi. Santoshi, come out, please. Santoshi, your topic is child labor. Be confident and start your topic.
Dear sir and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Santoshi Kumari. My topic is child labor. There are many problems in India. For example, child labor, caste, unemployment, etc. Child labor. One of them under 40 years goes to earn money by his physical work. That is called child labor. Child labor is an evil for child labor. Child labor country is backward. We know that a child labor needs love, affection, care, education for his total growth. But as child labor is beaten, affects physical child who of a child is thrust from him at the time of going to a school. A child works at hotel, restaurant, and a factory. So this unemployment. Thanks to listening.
Santoshi, your many sentences are wrong. Try to speak clearly. Try to pronounce clearly. Otherwise, there is no means of speaking anything. If we are speaking something, that should be clear. It may be our grammar is little poor, but the exact sentence which we are saying, the meaning of that sentence should be good, and that sentence should be meaningful. So, finally, I would like to give some marks to Santoshi to appreciate her effort, and that will be 3 out of 10. Now, Gautam, your time to come out. Okay, Mr. Gautam, I would like to provide you a topic, and that topic is India.
Honorable teacher and dear all my friends, I have good morning to all. Myself Gautam Parkar. Today I am going to speak about India. There are many countries in the world, as like America, England, Japan, etc. India is one of them. India is a lovely country. It is a big and beautiful country. It is have many names as like Hindustan, Aryabhat, Golden Bird. It is in the first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad Singh, and the present president of India is Draupadi Murmu. The first prime minister of India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the present prime minister of Narendra Modi, Mahatma Gandhi, is father of nation. There are many historical places in India, as like in Taj Mahal, Red Forest, Sher Shah Tomb, etc. In India, there are rivers For example, Ganga Yamuna Saraswati, the Ganga is a holy river. In our country, people live together. We celebrate many festivals as like Holi, Diwali, Eid, etc. Or mother language in Hindi. Our country commemorates culture and civilization. At last, I would like to say that India is a great country. I love my country. That's all. Thanks for listening to me.
Thank you, Gautam. It was very nice speech given by Gautam. I appreciate his effort and I would like to give 7 marks out of 10. Now I would like to call last contestant from the girls team and she will be Priyanshu. Priyanshu, please come up. Please clap for Priyanshu. Priyanshu, your topic is my favorite festival.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good morning everybody. To start in my favorite festival, let's start. We live in India. There are many festivals in India. For example, Holi, Diwali, Eid, Muharram. There are my country's three international festivals. There are Republic Gandhi Jayanti International. Holi is my favorite festival. Holi is celebrated in Phagun month. It is celebrated in memory of Prahlad Holi of people place to enjoy. There are cooking many dishes. People dancing and enjoying. They are together. In evening we wear new dress. We go to other house. People are blessing and hugging to each other. This is really enjoyed. But so people is drinking and they are fighting. So really request you keep your festival you enjoy. So your life is. Thank you for all.
It was quite well. Priyanshu tried by herself, but it was not so good speech. Priyanshu, favorite festival. Everybody knows about the festival in India. We celebrate many festivals. So I would like to say, be confident if you fear while facing the people. Many mistakes can be happened automatically. So be confident. I would like to give 4 marks out of 10. Now the last contestant from the boys side and he will be Mr. Vishal. Please clap for Vishal. Now Vishal is standing and I would like to give a topic to Vishal and topic should be transport and communication. So Vishal, just best of luck, start your topic.
Respected sir and all my dear friends, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Vishal Pandey and my topic is transport facilities. As a human being, we go one place to another place, but question is that how we go on that place. For that we have transport facilities. Transport facilities are the systems and services. Then people and goods are go one place from another. Many cities also provides buses, taxis, subways, ships and bicycles also. For fast and convenient travel, we use airplanes. Airplanes are fly high in the sky and they go people far. They go people far distance for short times and short distance for long distance. Airplanes are fly in the sky just like birds. In airplanes inside there's a cockpit. There's command. Their pilots and co-pilots are command the airplane. That's all. Thank you.
Very good, sir. The last performance performance was very nice, which was given by Vishal. Vishal marks will be 5 out of 10. Now I would like to add the marks of both of the teams and let's see who is winner. So girls team, they are getting total 32 marks. Now boys team marks is 38 and a half. That means boys team is winner by 6.5 marks. This is the margin between both of the teams. Please clap for boys team who is winner today. Now, as my promise, I would like to give chocolates to all winners team. Mr. Sandeep, Gautam, Vishal, Vicky, Krish and Purushottam. As you have seen, a little competition between two teams, boys and girls. Fortunately, boys team is winner and unfortunately, girls team is loser. Result shows with little marks, these are loser and they are winner. But we cannot ignore their hard work, their potential, their honesty. So, I would like to suggest you all that in competition, be confident, do hard work. Your hard work never goes in vain. It always appreciate you, it always guide you. So it was all about from today's class. Thank you for everybody. Thank you.